Hi, I'm Craig Daniels, Local and Regional Government Industry Lead at ANS Group. So ANS are the #1 digital transformation partner in the UK, operating at the highest level with Microsoft and AWS. ANS are uniquely positioned to combine cloud, data and applications to really drive business outcomes for citizens across Greater Manchester. The partnership with Greater Manchester Combined Authority goes above and beyond on delivering the digital platform.
Hi, I'm John Burt. I'm Lead Enterprise Architect at Greater Manchester Combined Authority, working on some of our Greater Manchester digital programmes. GMCA was formed in its current guise about 4 years ago, and that was through the appointment of the Mayor Andy Burnham when he started his first term. Before that there was the Association of Greater Manchester Authorities, etc. But really it was formed really as part of the devolution deals that we brought into the city region. Things like healthcare, the devolution of healthcare into the area. The Greater Manchester Digital Platform was created to look at how we joined up data primarily within an organisation, or most importantly between organisations. One of the fundamental requirements was looking at identifying people through disparate systems within organisations. Within the digital platform, one of the key technology requirements that we have is a way of joining up those identities from disparate systems using different types of algorithms. So one of the estimates that we have between the 35 different public organisations that we work with is that there's 50 to 70 million identities for the population of 2.9 million. So what we want to do is make sure that we're talking about the same person or the same family through those different systems, so we can sort of drive down cost and join up and have better intelligence around both families but also organisations, businesses and services that we deliver. So I've worked with ANS a number of times on different projects, and I think the key thing that we've seen is the direction of travel has pivoted really as technology has advanced, and where we focus now is much around that kind of cloud, innovating and transforming services. And I think we've seen that with the services available from ANS have really changed away from that more traditional kind of infrastructure delivery to where you're actually adding value back to our business. One of the key things that we've done with the digital platform is early years digitisation, and that's really looking at empowering the people with data. So ages and stages questionnaires are predominantly led by the parent or the carer of a child between 0 to 5 years old, and they're paper-based across the entire country at the moment. And using low-code capabilities in the digital platform, we've actually digitised that entire process, and what that allows us to do now is share data from maternity through to health visiting to early years practitioners, and then in the future onwards into schools as part of the Mayor's ambition to make more children ready to learn at the age of 5, which is one of the mayoral priorities. But what we're also doing now is using components within the platform to actually interface into community APIs used by health visitants to avoid dual entry of data, and now we're also looking at early years systems within the local authorities, so that we're not replacing existing systems, we're really kind of joining them up and then presenting data back out to the parents or carers of the child. So the early years digitisation platform, the integrated solution that we've developed is live now in Rochdale and Bury. And we've had over 10,000 forms already completed by over 1,000 parents and carers. So we're already seeing massive impacts, massive digital transformation in that area. So what we've seen over the last 18 months through the pandemic is how much digital has advanced, but that's also highlighted the issues around digital inclusion. And the Mayor this year, as part of his re-election, really focused in on improving digital inclusion. But what we saw through the pandemic was the launch of the GM Tech Fund, which had ANS as one of the key initial contributors to that, which rolled out a number of devices across children at school that really needed access to digital technology.